Okay, this is the Toro model number 2333 spin stop. Other models that are right under this one don't have that spin stop feature, which allows you to walk away from the lawnmower while it's still on. Here's what's in the box. Get a white bag. Get the instructions. You get the lawnmower. You get some oil. And you get a side, whatever it's called, side shooter. And you get obviously the handlebars come. You have to put those on. This one has that feature where you can wash it real easy. Hook a water hose to it. Here's where you put your bag. Real large handles to help you adjust the height. This is the rear wheel drive version, and I hope it works well.